Hello, my name is Lisa Witt, and today I'm going to teach you how to have proper hand posture when you're at the piano. It is very important to develop good habits when it comes to hand posturing at the piano. Otherwise, you can actually cause injury and strain. So the first thing you want to look at is how you hold your wrist. When you're playing, you want to make sure that your wrist is slightly up. I kind of like to pretend that there's a little puppet string that's kind of holding up my wrist. And I also like to pretend that there's a bubble underneath my hand, that if I lower my hand too much, it'll pop the bubble. We don't want that. So we have sort of like a lovely buoyancy in the hand. The reason for this is it helps us to have curved fingers. Now, curved fingers will allow us to play quickly, they will allow us to play accurately, and they'll help us to avoid injury. When we play with flat fingers, it's very inefficient, and look at how my wrist dips down. So we want nice curve in our fingers, and then the key is to push straight down into the piano keys. You don't want to be flicking at the keys, you want to be pushing straight down, just like this. Both wrists are up, and I have a nice curve in my fingers. So this means you do want to keep your nails short when you are a piano player. So that's all you need to know for having great posture in your hands while you play the piano. Happy practicing, and we'll see you around.